Hi friends, my name is Deshmukh. I am from 9C. I am telling short information of Indian space visitors. Rakesh Sharma, India's first man in space, born in Punjab on 13 July 1949, joined NDA as a Air Force cadet in 1966 and commissioned into the AFI as a pilot in 1970. On 2nd April 1984, he became the first Indian to travel in space when he flew aboard the Soviet rocket Suzy T-11 as part of a joint effort between Isro and the Soviet Union. He spent a total of 7 days, 21 hours and 40 minutes in space. He was confronted with Ashok Chakra. Kalpana Chawla, first Indian American woman and first Indian woman in winner of 2 shuttle mission logging our 750 hours in space. Earned PhD in aerospace engineering from the University of Texas. Died on 1 Feb 2003 when a shuttle Columbia distracted during re-enter. Next, Sunita Williams, Indian Slovenian American winner of 8 mission logging our 7,700 hours in space and over 50 hours of spacewalk. As of 2015, holds the record for the longest single spaceflight by a woman to the most spacewalk time for a woman. Next, Ravish Malhotra, born December 25, 1943 in Lahore, Pakistan, is a rated air commander of the Indian Air Force. Malhotra was the replacement from the Rakesh Sharma who went into space in 1982. Under the Suzy 11 mission, Malhotra did not go into space.